Let's paint poppy cards today, and you see that it's the same flower and the same style, but both cards are absolutely different. That's what I love about painting watercolor, just using my imagination, using the freedom that watercolor gives to us. I will start with analyzing colors, and for flowers I'm going to use orange, red, deep red, and a bit of purple so that the shadow is more prominent. For greenish part, I prefer using some natural colors like olive green or also dusk yellow. That's very nice color for greenish part, but also cobalt green. What I don't like is emerald green or viridian green because it's too bright, and actually such grass just does not exist. So any green that you like, but please avoid this emerald or viridian. For shadows, I may also use some indigo, but now I'm not sure whether I need it. This color I'm just in love with, and I add for some seeds or some accents in my flower because I add this color to all my paintings, so it's just my love. Let's start. I'm starting with water. This is my flower, the row of petals. This is the upper row, and it's just pure water. Let's add orange. This is a synthetic brush, and I love it how it works for flowers or for other. So this is a rather rough edge, no straight lines. Like this. Now red, also on wet, because that row is wet. I want to avoid flag effects, so that this orange, this is pure red. That's why I can blend on some places or even remove. For removing, we need clean, dry brush. So you can use paper to clean your brush or anything you think, oh, I can use it. Now deep red, alizarin crimson, or you decide what deep red you have, Madder Lake, and some darker hues down. With other side of the brush, I'm making some illusion of veins. Not a lot, but still adding them. Deep purple. For shadows, we always use very intensive color and no water. So I even don't mix here on the palette, I'm taking here. And this is purple. This is middle part of the flower, and also with other side of the brush, adding some of the illusion of seeds or petals. Now I'm starting the below row, and for that I'm starting with water, leaving 2 millimeters paper which is absolutely dry so that my upper row doesn't bleed into below. The below row should be a bit smaller than the first one. And again I'm starting with orange. So now you see this 2 millimeters gap. On some places I will remove this so that it's not that prominent, right? So in some places I combine them. After orange, red, another side of the brush, some of the veins, deep red here, another side of the brush, also some of these. And now I'm starting with greenish part. So you decide what color you choose. Mine is dusk yellow. That's something between green and black. And now it's rather freehand. This is my future flower. Some bleeding splashes. Or olive green, also a good one, right? Because these colors are rather natural. The suggestion for this hair, which poppies usually have. And when it is absolutely dry, I can take white or lavender, so the colors I love. This is my lavender, and I will add several lavender seeds here. And it's also possible to add white, but not too much and not too regular, just from one side. Very thick white gouache. So I'm wishing you good luck with that. Just enjoy painting poppies cards.